Hey there, ERP enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Odoo 17 and exploring how this powerhouse ERP system is transforming industries worldwide. Odoo 17 isn't just another ERP system, it's a game changer. Let's take a closer look at some real-life success stories across various sectors. Manufacturing marvels. Odoo 17 is revolutionizing the manufacturing landscape from automotive giants to textile tycoons. Imagine streamlining assembly lines, managing inventory like a boss and handling complex bills of materials easily. That's the power of Odoo. Retail reinvented. With Odoo's point of sale and inventory management modules, fashion retail has never been more fabulous. Real-time inventory tracking, sales analytics, and omni-channel capabilities? It's every retailer's dream come true. Services superstars. Calling all consultants and marketing mavens, Odoo's project management and CRM tools are your secret weapons for success. Say goodbye to endless spreadsheets and hello to streamlined workflows and happy clients. Healthcare heroes. In the world of healthcare, precision is paramount. Odoo's flexibility caters to the unique needs of healthcare providers, from patient management to inventory control. It's like having a virtual assistant for your clinic. Wrap up unlocking success with Odoo 17. From manufacturing to healthcare and everything in between, Odoo 17 is the ultimate ERP solution for modern businesses. But remember, success isn't just about the software, it's about how you use it. So, customize, integrate, and train your team for maximum impact. That's a wrap for today. Folks, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more ERP insights. Until next time, keep innovating with Odoo 17.